The first thing we learned was a slip knot. And that's really what you need to know to get started, no matter if you're using a hook or your fingers. So here's how we did it. I have my ball of yarn, but maybe you just have a strand. No big deal. But the strand that comes from the ball directly, I'm going to call the long one. And now I'm going to make a tail. The tail needs to be a couple inches long because we're going to be pulling on it, remember? So I make a loop by pinching in the middle, and then with my other hand, my left hand, I pinch again and I make a loop. And the loop stands up. Oh, mine flopped over. No big deal. Now remember we made a bird's beak? Here's my bird's beak. Now what I do is I put the bird's beak through the loop and I go down and around, whoop, down and around again, whoop. That's introducing twist. Now I take the bird's beak and I'm gonna reach down and I'm gonna grab the long strand. For me, that's the strand that's attached to the ball, right? So here's how I do it. I reach down, I pull up, and now I'm gonna let go with this bottom hand. Now that looks kind of funny, right? What I do is I'm going to grab the long strand and the short strand and pull down. That tightens things up. That's our knot. Now, that's kind of big, right? So I'm going to pull the strand that's attached to the ball, and look how the knot slides up? That is a slip knot. Good job!